Now I feel at home.
Mommy, Mom.
Yay! We are at Universal. What are you looking at? Can we afford this?
No.
Let's go. I just got complimented for my ear.
There's no ears on them.
I got complimented for my headband.
Right,
oh wait, hold this for me. We're going into the Marvel area. We can have Mario in here.
Oh my gosh.
Mario is Spider-Man now.
You're such a dork.
Now we're ready to go. Let's go. Now I feel at home. She told me that she has never seen Nicki Minaj do like the Roman. She's iconic for doing that. Let's go and ride Hulk. Are you ready for this one?
I am ready for this one.
Let's do it.
This is my favorite one.
Oh, it is.
On this area.
Oh. Morty Walkers.
That was so much fun. I love that one.
Spidey, you ready?
Did you see that? The spider signal. You shouldn't be out here.
My Spider-Man made it back here safely. Since we are getting out of here, it's only fitting that I take it off. Let's go to Universal.
Mommy.
We were on our way to Universal, but we just saw somebody with Coldstone and decided to just go there. Why not? Look what I got. It is not gonna get you a suit, girl. That's something better.
Touch to your head?
I do. Like, see something cooler though? Because I brought a mask for him.
Goodness.
Anyway, let's take a photo. You ready?
5, 4, 3, 3, now 2, 1, and 3.
Every time I'm gonna have a headband, but with your head on.
Oh
my
don't
God.
tread me, man. Don't be treading me, man.
Okay, that came out the wrong way. Bye.
See you, man. Take care.
To rent a locker.
We are at the very last stretch of the day. We might ride Mommy twice. We'll see. Time for us to save the universe with the Allspark. Is that the name? Allspark? Allspark? With that, yay! I said it right.
Well done. Freedom fighters with advice. Thanks. Back anytime.
My favorite song of the week is
All the things I did just so I could call you.
Anyhow, we did a lot of rides today. We did great for the amount of time that we were here.
Yeah.
Do you want to say anything else?
I'm broke.
Saying peace.
Brand new girl.